Unveiled Air Y and Air Y Pro vertical Android gaming handsets, following the 2025 release of the horizontal Air X and the Pocket Max device series. The new Android-based lineup consists of two models, the standard Air Y and the dual-stick Air Y Pro. Both handheld run Android and are powered by currently unnamed Qualcomm chips. The standard Air Y comes in a black finish featuring a single RGB backlight joystick positioned below the crossed D-pad, Nintendo layout ABXY buttons, and a front-facing speaker grille. The Pro comes in white and burgundy colorway, dropping the front speaker grille to accommodate dual symmetrical RGB joysticks. This addition makes the Pro suitable for more complex Android titles and more modern emulations that require standard twin-stick camera and movement control. Both models share a left side control cluster that includes an orange power button, scroll wheel, and an unassigned secondary button. The display features minimal bezel, though the exact panel dimensions are not confirmed. The Airby series represents a direct hardware challenge for upcoming devices in the vertically handheld space. At this stage, they did not give any details about the core hardware information regarding display resolution, refresh rate, RAM storage capability, and battery sizes. It's unclear if the Pro model will feature a higher tier Qualcomm chip than the standard version. They expect to reveal full hardware specification, pricing details, and a concrete launch schedule later this month. Pre-orders will begin on July 30th.